Europe will now engage in a mission on climate adaptation and transformation. So this is part of the new program for research of Horizon Europe. And this mission needs to do two things. Firstly, it needs to capture the imagination of European citizens. This is what missions are about. It's inspired by the moonshot mission of NASA of the 60s. That's what we are looking at. We want a mission in research which captures the imagination of our public and of our citizens. But then the mission is really about not research, but about delivering an outcome and solutions in society. So with this climate adaptation mission, we want to mobilize our citizens because they will deliver the solutions. Technology will help, regulation is necessary, but what we really need is citizens to take it up, and this climate mission hopefully can help us.
We need all the scientists to engage to make sure health is part of the climate change, adaptation and disaster risk reduction debate. We need the scientists to engage with us, we need to engage with them. It has to be a whole system. We need to improve our data. We need scientists to help us to deliver better data. And finally, we need the research to understand what the risks are and improve early warning. To get this network growing will be so exciting, and ECCA has been a great inspiration to where we go to.
I think the key message is transformational change from every aspect of the society, how we behave, how we travel, how we eat, how we produce, and how we treat the waste. So basically, the simplest message from me is that the solution is in your hands, and the solution is in everybody's hands, and together we can do it.
We need to change the speed in which we're working together. Climate change is not waiting for us. We are running after climate change, which means that our engagement needs to be proactive. But we are not going to be succeeding in this important challenge if we don't work together with an all-societal approach. And in order to do so, we need to develop a culture of prevention and a culture of understanding our world, our planet, and how our climate works in order to be able really to make a strong impact.
We have to look at ourselves and realize why are we trying to combat climate change. It's not just to put words on paper, it's to really to take care of our children and our children's children. And to ensure that they have as good, or if not better, environment that we have today. Another point was that youth engagement is really, really critical at this point in time because we're seeing increased awareness of the issue. Governments trying to increase ambitions, but as I mentioned, ambition is not enough. Words on paper are not enough. Implementation will be key, and it's the youth that has the power today to really put the pressure on the governments to implement these ambitious policies.